This is a 2007 Chevrolet Tahoe. This SUV has a 4-speed automatic transmission and a 5.3-liter V8. Its top features include an 8-speaker stereo system, a double wishbone independent front suspension, traction control and stability control systems, and a tire pressure monitoring system. The following features are also included: air conditioning with automatic climate control, cruise control, an auto-dimming rear-view mirror, a CD player, leather and alloy steering wheel trim, a passenger side airbag, a HomeLink feature, a rear window defroster, front and rear reading lights, and this vehicle has less than 15,000 miles. Please call today to reserve this vehicle for a test drive.
Tom Misano Ford is dedicated to doing everything possible to ensure that the experience you have selecting your next vehicle is as pleasant as possible. We are located at 1600 Lancaster Avenue in Reading.